Alright, you saw I took off the front axle to finish it up. So now I'm gonna weld these small reinforcements on so we can make sure that these welds not will crack. It's something that Auto Consult want me to do, so we are sure that everything's hold as it should. So yeah, now I'm gonna do that and finish welding the brackets for the steering. After that, I will put in some new metal here for the air suspension pillows, and the same on these arms. What do we call those? Just show you what Tony brought in yesterday. Wow, that is a missile tank. The idea is 3 of those, 3 in each side, just in front of the rear wheels in each side, 2 in the bottom and 1 in the top. The 2 in the bottom will be tank for the fuel, and the one on the top is air tanks for the air suspension. Look at that, that's gonna be fucking badass. Yep, the final design is not sure yet, but it's around this. And back to this dirty work. Yesterday I got some plates in this, you saw that, and I've cleaned up the lower arms. Now I'm gonna put in a plate here as well for the airbags. When that is done, I will I don't know, mount them on one of those. No, I'm actually gonna put together the whole front axle again with the arms on and place the pillows where they fit exactly. So that's the plan for today. The first part of the day, at least. So yes, let's get going. So the front axle should be ready now. The airbags is just where they should be. Everything is good, and the upper arms is ready as well. So Tony is coming and getting it all and taking it home, and will paint it up so it looks nice. And for me today, I've taken all the bolts out of the frame, and I'm gonna take off the outer layer, the original frame, if you can say that, and actually to get it painted inside between those 2 layers so you won't get too rusty. That is, I need to make the last welds and as well. So when that is done, I can remount. I can put the whole thing together again, and that will be the last time to do that. And from then on, I can just build on till we are finished. Alright, that's it. That's what I want to do with the surface on this. As you can see, just a thin layer of the red and then black, and twist it around with a cloth and make it look a little patina-ish. And because it is so thin a layer, it should give a natural layer of surface rust. So I think this is actually pretty nice. Just so you can see what I'm doing. First off, I'm giving a zinc layer for the small places where there are deep rust. So yeah, so we can close off that the best we can, and after that I'm giving this the red primer here. It's actually a rust stop. Yeah, that's what it stands for. Yeah. It should be the right thing for the job. Nothing more than that. So now the other side is done as well. But the patina looks. Got to mention before that it's actually a trick I saw Village Customs do on their red rods. So I think it's pretty neat just to spray some paint on and just wipe it off with an old cloth. It gives a nice effect. Yeah. It's good, ready to mount. So finished up all the welds underneath here, and now while I'm at it and it's laying like this, I can install this pipe inside the frame to hide the harness, the wiring harness, what do you call that? Yeah, you know, all the wires. So I will just cut this up in pieces and weld them inside the frame so we have a closed wiring harness, so it all looks clean and nice. So that's the next stop. Woo! Long fucking Friday, and we reached the destination. It is all like I wanted and all mounted up, put together, both frames, and looking good with the patina. It's hard to see in this light here, but maybe from the other side. But Tony has stopped by and checked up on if he likes the look, and he was just all thumbs up, so I'm glad. Now it's fucking weekend and it's good. You have a good one.